Iceland's latest spectacular volcanic eruption. Yet another volcanic eruption has rocked Iceland's southern peninsula. On August 22nd, fissures opened up, spilling lava and spewing plumes of gas over half a mile, 1 kilometer into the air. The eruption occurred in the Stóra-Skófell area, known for volcanic craters whose 2,500-year dormancy came to an end last year. In November, residents of the nearby town of Grindavík were forced to evacuate as a series of earthquakes and fissures shook the region as part of the lead-up to a series of eruptions. The most recent and largest to date began in late May and continued for weeks. On August 28, the Iceland Meteorological Office said the intensity of the eruption had decreased somewhat since the previous day and was now confined to 2 fissures, while seismic activity had also decreased. The EMO said deformation of the ground north of Stóra-Skófell indicated the eruption has not reached equilibrium. Back in February, fresh lava poured onto white snow, producing dramatic contrasts captured in aerial views.
Fyrirtækin geta ekki starfað þarna, þá verður engin byggð þarna. Ef þú ert búin að velta þessu mikið fyrir þér, ertu